First time to try it. I've not tried it yet. Forgive any messes in this Arkansas semi-hillbilly home if I do upload it to something. I haven't tried it. I like salsa in general. I bet that is hot. I bought extra chips. I just said I was going to indulge in some chips and dip. Well, I got some other stuff. What did I get? I don't know, random stuff. Sour cream. That's been here for a little bit. Stuff I didn't even anticipate. And I'm not showing... You gotta have your spinach leaves. Whoops, I'm gonna spill out. I tear them open. Kale. Got avocado. Got various kinds of these. And some I'm not put in. The refrigerator. I may or may not upload it. It's so slow. Everything's slow. I just got these containers. They were like less than $1.50, $1.29 a piece. Just to maybe hold stuff, use them, whatever. When I'm in the store and I got time. Plastic, not glass. Somebody earlier today got paid to do a little bit of cleaning here, or mild to moderate. And I'm like, clean out the refrigerator if you want to make extra money, you know. And I'm like, well, I need a big container because some of this stuff I don't need it to go in the trash. I need it to go in the compost, so it's ready and waiting for me to put in the compost on the edge in the yard. Anyway, September 25th.